My name is Rachel Moore, and I'm an underwater photographer and have been slowly sailing around the world for the last 7 years. I was excited to try capturing 360 content in hopes of shooting some new and unique perspectives. So I just put to the test the Insta360 X3 camera and the new invisible dive case. What makes this dive case so unique is that it actually hides the selfie stick underwater, making it completely invisible. I can now shoot third-person views of myself in some of the most stunning places on Earth. The dive case and the stick don't appear at all in the footage, meaning I can now get seamless underwater 360 views. Marine life moves at their own pace, meaning if you aren't in the perfect spot at the right time, you might miss the shot with a normal camera. But because I'm shooting with the X3, all I have to do is press record, because the camera captures it all. Everything is captured in 360 degrees by the camera's 2 lenses, so you don't need to worry about pointing the camera. After I'm done shooting, I can reframe the video file in the app to make multiple clips showing different angles and shots. There are so many creative possibilities. Then I can share these videos just like a regular video on social media. The 5.7K 360 video that I get out of the X3 shows every detail underwater. It has 2 half-inch 48 megapixel sensors, which really help to capture the depth and colors beneath the surface and make the footage look true to real life. Color grading underwater footage is usually extremely difficult. With a click of a button in the studio or app, AquaVision 2.0 color grades your underwater clips to make them look more realistic and vivid. This new housing is rated for 50 meters. The whole setup is easy to use and keeps the camera so safe. Capturing underwater is so simple. FlowState, Stabilization, and 360 Horizon Lock keep the footage smooth, and I never have to worry about the camera battery dying. The free Insta360 app is a lifesaver with AI technology that does all the hard editing for you. Even if you're a beginner editor, you can still get insane clips like this with the app. I can confidently say that Insta360 has revolutionized the underwater world of videography and photography. This camera and housing bundle will be with me on all of my travels, and I'm so excited to keep experimenting with new creative shots.